how are you? Today I'm going to change the leather strap of this watch that I bought 2 weeks ago, which is a beautiful 1965 Primato mechanical rewinding. This is an old watch, it's a vintage. As you can see, it's a very good, in very good conditions. But the only thing I really didn't like when I received it is the color of this strap. Even though the strap is nice, it's leather, but I think that this color, it's not putting in value the watch design. So it's kind of lost because of this brownish color that is very close to the yellowish gold of this case. So I told myself I need another leather strap, maybe that looks more old vintage style, and that is much darker, to create a real contrast between the dial, the beauty of this simple vintage design style, and the bracelet, the leather strap that will become a sort of a support, visual support, putting in value our watch, like a sort of a background. So let's open up, I'll show you. We have the tools that we will use to change our strap. I think this is much better, you know. If I do that and I do that, you see, we can see the watch much better. So let's make this substitution. Okay, finally, I made it. So, let's see now. So, what do you think? I think that this strap, this leather strap is much better, much more indicated to go with this 1965 vintage watch than the previous one, this one. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this, I keep the watch. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you here very soon with a new video. Thank you very much. Bye.